Greetings and salutations, Ravage Rider here. Let's install the Hepco Becker side stand enlargement. So I ordered this about 3 months ago and it finally arrived. I really could have used this summer on my trip to Creston. We went in for dinner and when I came out I noticed that my motorcycle was leaned over quite a bit. And I saw a big hole was left by my side stand in the hot asphalt. But the real reason I purchased the side stand enlargement was not necessarily for street use. Obviously it will help with that, but because I am turning my Honda more and more into an adventure touring bike, and I will eventually be parking for long, lengthy periods of time in dirt or gravel or grass or whatever. Let's start with a quick unboxing. Inside is some packing paper, the side stand enlarger, a spacer pad, and the instructions. Here's a close-up of the pad. It's machined from a solid chunk of aluminum. It's definitely lighter than it looks. Before I start the install, I wanted to clean the bottom of my side stand. I have the bike on the paddock stands now, making the install super easy. I remove the 3 screws and separate the pieces. I do a quick fitment test to make sure it'll work. I decided to try it with the included foam pad and the spacer. The foam pad is sticky on both sides. Then I place the spacer pad on the foam. Then it's just as simple as reassembling the side stand enlarger with the 3 screws. I put all 3 screws in a little at a time before snugging them down. I haven't put Loctite on yet, but will do so after. As you can see, the enlarger pad at least doubles the original side stand footprint. Plus, I think it looks great. Well, that's it for this one. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.